doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas. That's right, your girl decided to do Vlogmas at the last minute. It wouldn't be like me if I didn't procrastinate and then decide to do something at the last minute, okay? But anyway, I am starting today's vlog off right now. I'm at the gas station. Your girl needs gas, okay? I have 7 miles, okay? 7 miles until East, so I have to get some gas. Who told it to be freezing cold in Dallas? Somebody let me know. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, y'all, it is freezing right now. I went home for Thanksgiving. So at home, it was like, I think the temperature was around 60 something degrees, you know, not too cold or anything like that. Like, we got back to Dallas and it was nighttime and it was like 30 something degrees. So yeah, your girl has been cold. And oh yeah, don't sleep on the McDonald's mocha, okay? I wasn't like going to McDonald's to get a mocha. For some reason, I don't know why, I didn't know or I didn't remember that McDonald's had like hot mochas. I always think of like iced coffee from McDonald's or just regular hot brew coffee, but their mochas are actually pretty good and they're like a fraction of the price. Like, I think it's like half the price. Well, no, a mocha from Starbucks or something like that, when I usually get it, is like 6 something maybe if I get a grande, and this was like right at $4 for this big old cup. So but anyway, so we are going to get some gas so that we don't run out. I need to go to Walmart. I need to grab, I think I want to make spaghetti tonight, so I need spaghetti sauce and sausage because I have ground meat, but I like to put ground meat and sausage in it. I have some tofu and stuff that I am going to cook for Kenny. And yeah, so he'll have like tofu with like his chili sauce. And then I'll make spaghetti and stuff for me and KJ. And then if I have time, I'm going to look at a few more Christmas decorations because I put up the decorations that I had. So when I went home, I got my neutral Christmas decorations that I had from, I think it was 3 years ago. So I got those and brought them back with me. So I using those. I should have bought my old Christmas tree because this Christmas tree down here, I forget how thin it is until I put it up. And now I'm like, oh my gosh, there's all kinds of, not a ton, but like I can see through it too much. So I do need to look at some more decorations or something to kind of fill in those spots on the tree. But like, I don't want to do too much because, I mean, it has a good bit of ornaments on it. And I still have the same cute little stockings and all that other stuff that I had, like that dark green, kind of like foresty green color. So yeah, I'm loving the way it's looking because I got that and had it a few years ago. So it still looks cute. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we're going to be getting into. And now let me stop yapping and hurry up and get this gas. I'm really just taking my time because I'm freezing and I don't want to have to get out. And Kenny asked me about the gas. He was like, do you have gas in your car? But that was last night. And I was like, you don't have to go out. I'm just going to get some in the morning and blah, 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 blah. And now I have to pump my own gas right now, which I'm probably just going to put a little bit and just fill it up when it's not cold. So we're getting however much gas I can tolerate pumping right now. But anyway, let me hurry up because we done went down to 6 miles. So yeah, let me get this show on the road. Okay, we got 131 miles now. That's what I like about having a small car. You don't have to put too much. I didn't feel like pumping that long. I think I put $12 in here. 131 miles. We ready to go, okay? All right, anyway, let's go. Okay, so we made it in Walmart, and I'm looking for the sausage. And now I'm a little confused because I can't remember which one I bought last time. I tasted one, and it was actually pretty good, but I don't remember which one it was. I don't think it was this home sausage, but it might have been. No, I know it didn't say pork and venison. It might have been this andouille sausage. We might try this one. I think I told y'all that before. Like I get Manda sausage and stuff like that sometimes, but they only have that at the Fiesta. So yeah. Anyway, what else do we need? Spaghetti sauce and a couple other things. So yeah, let me get to grabbing this stuff because I'm freezing and I'm hungry. We're also out of snacks, so I need to make sure I get the child some snacks. And y'all, me and the Chips Ahoy, oh my god, it's like a problem. I feel like it's not right if I'm at home and I don't have access to a Chips Ahoy cookie. It could be the crunchy one, the chewy one, the chunky one, either one. That's my problem now. I'm gonna have to do better. I'm gonna work on that. Maybe we'll make that the goal for 2026, to work on like my cookie problem. It's really just a chocolate thing. I feel like I need some form of chocolate like every day. Every day, for real. Yo, it is so cold. Oh my gosh, my fingers. Oh, I'm so cold. It's like, I don't know, like it low-key almost feels like, it felt like I felt some type of little mist, but it feels almost like icy out there. I'm gonna have to check the weather and see if it's like any chances of snow coming up or what, because it is cold. It is freezing, and I cannot wait to get home to wash my hands. I didn't grab a little wipe. I was just moving fast whenever I tried to go in there, and as I was walking and moving my hand on the buggy, I felt something sticky, and I was like, this is why you take your time and get a wipe and clean the buggy, okay? I got my hand sanitizer. I just put it on, but still. So my hand didn't feel sticky anymore, but it was sticky enough, okay? And, yeah. Now, let's go ahead and go. Y'all, people was in the store looking at me like, what the heck is she doing? And I'm like, look, we're gonna get this Vlogmas, so if I have to get stairs, I mean, I'm pretty much used to it at this point, but I know how some people are. They're like, they get nervous vlogging in public and stuff, and I'm like, I'm not worried about y'all, okay? My subscribers need my content. So, yeah, I just do it anyway. I don't care. But anyway, yeah, let me get inside and check this weather and go and cook this spaghetti because I'm so hungry, and hopefully it comes out good because I really need it to at this point. Ugh, you heard that? Even my nose. Yeah, let me get inside. I don't have time for a runny nose, okay? Okay, so we're back at home. Whew, y'all, I'm telling you, every time I step out the car, I'm like, oh my god, it's cold. Anyway, with that being said, I was like, it's too cold to go look at any piece of decorations right now, okay? I need to come here and check this temperature and cook this food because I'm hungry. So we'll do that maybe tomorrow or one other day this week. But yeah, so now I'm going to cook the food. Then I get here, the hubby, he done already cooked his tofu and stuff like that. So now all I have to do is make the spaghetti for me and KJ. So yeah, we're gonna get this spaghetti going, and then I'm going to show y'all the Christmas stuff. If you've been like here a while, like I said, I did used these decorations a few years ago. But if you're new, hey, you'll get to see them, or at least what we have going so far. And then I'm gonna chill out, edit, watch TV, and call it a night. But one other thing I want to say too is the Vlogmas videos. I feel like sometimes you don't want Vlogmas to just be too long, because then it takes you too long to watch like everybody's videos if you're watching like multiple people's Vlogmas videos. So I'm gonna just warn you now and tell you that the Vlogmas videos, I'm not gonna say all of them are gonna be like super short or anything, but I'm gonna try to keep them at a length that's like not overdoing it, okay? Because I don't want you to be like, okay, you're trying to watch 5-10 people's vlogs, and if you watch a lot of people like me, but you then are trying to watch an hour for each vlog, that's just a lot for Vlogmas, especially if you're trying to keep up daily, and I want you to be able to keep up daily. So yeah, the vlogs won't be like extremely long or anything like that, but I just wanted to let y'all know that, you know, so you can just be prepared, okay? But anyway, let's get this food going. I'll show it to you guys when I'm done, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the spaghetti is almost done, but right now I'm going to show you guys the decorations that I put up so far. I actually made, I think I told y'all that, but I made like a little Vlogmas short earlier, so you can watch that and see a little more detail, but I'll give you a quick little glance. Okay, so here it is. I have my reindeer and stuff from the neutral theme I did before, the little stocking hooks, my green stockings, and then I have like my neutral decor on the tree. Like I said, I need to fill in some spaces for that, and stuff like my little Christmas trees. All right, so the spaghetti is done. Here's how it's looking. Can you see it? It looks so good. It's so hot. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm even gonna try to taste this right now with it this hot, but I'm so hungry. It's good. Anyway, you guys, so we'll go ahead and end today's Vlogmas here. I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogmas. Bye.